Hello class 12 student, welcome back. Today we will study about the chapter number 6, application of derivative, in which first topic is rate of change of quantity. We will already study about the differentiation. Now what is the real life use of differentiation? What is the real life application of differentiation? In this chapter we will study. So today's topic is rate of change of quantity. Suppose y is a function of x. Y is a function of x. Suppose it's occurring a change in x, that is del x. Correspondingly, there is a change in y. And then you know what is derivative? Del y upon del x is the derivative. Del y upon del x is the derivative if, what is this called? This is called average rate of change. Suppose if there is a change in del x, let us to be, it's very near to 0, it is considered to be 0, then del x upon del y is equal to dy by dx, and it is known as instantaneous change. फौरन, instantaneous मतलब एकदम से जो change होगा, that is called instantaneous change. And this change is to be considered in this chapter is rate of change. I will explain through an example. But before starting any question, some states of working we will study. Some states of working we will study. Working steps in solving the question based on rate of change of quantity. सबसे पहले introduction of question. You have to introduce the question, what is to be given, what is to be asked, by putting some abbreviation. For area, we have to put A. For volume, we have to put V. For surface area, we have to put S. Radius, R for radius, T for time, etc., etc. And then drive it. Before driving it, if there is a change, if the rate of change is increasing, the rate of change increasing by positive sign. Positive sign means rate of change is increasing. If the answer is in negative, the rate of change is decreasing. Minus shows the rate of change is decreasing. Then you must know the plane mensuration formula and solid mensuration formula. You know, area of circle, perimeter of rectangle, area of rectangle and all. And in solid mensuration, volume of sphere, volume of cone, volume of cuboid and all. So our chapter, our exercise 6.1 is based on rate of change of quantity, in which we have to learn how to change of quantity with respect to one of the parameter given in the question. Suppose if we change the rate, there is a change in the volume of sphere with respect to radius. So volume is considered to be a quantity and radius is considered to be one of the parameter. So volume of sphere is to be changed with respect to R. Volume is changed with respect to R. It means we have to find dy by dr. यहाँ पर V क्या हो जाएगा? Volume is quantity and R is the one of the parameter. So I will explain it through a question. Suppose what what is the change in area of circle? What is the change in area of circle with respect to radius if the radius is 7 centimeter? So what is the change in area of circle? So area of circle is pi r square, yani A is pi r square. To differentiate it with respect to r, because there is a question, okay, with respect to radius. So dA upon dr, pi is a coefficient of r square, is considered to be a constant term. What is the, it is given that all given values is considered to be a constant. So r square is what? How to differentiate r square? So answer will be, but what is r given? So there is a change in area with respect to r, 14 pi, but it's incomplete. It's incomplete. If you not write the proper unit, it's totally incomplete. There is a change in area. So what is the unit of area? That is centimeter square. With respect to radius, so what is the unit of radius? Is centimeter. So this is the complete answer. We must conclude our answer properly with proper unit. So the change in area with respect to radius is 14 pi centimeter square per centimeter. This is the way to solve the question based on this topic, that is rate of change of quantity. In the next topic we will study about the normal and tangents, and then next we will study about the maxima and minima. Till then, up to this video, it's clear to all. I hope it's clear to all of you. It's one of the topic, rate of change of quantity in the chapter application of derivatives. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.